All right, so let's talk about this blog post that's right back here. A couple things that happened just today. I was on a call with a partnership leader, and some complaints were being expressed about lack of follow-up and lack of commitment to what was spoken about on the first call with a potential service provider partner. And some of the things that this person was frustrated with were things that we all deal with when dealing with service providers. I mean, we want to work with the service provider and we feel like we're bringing all sorts of value in our product. And, we know our product is the best in our category and so on and so forth. We have a call and seem to get the service provider pretty amped up about our product and our partnership opportunity, and then crickets. And nothing happens. So that's the premise. That happened today. Another thing that happened today, one of the SaaS in our concierge program, who's doing really well, submitted their coursework to compile what we do here internally. We help our concierge SaaS users create this course, this type of course, I should say, on how service providers can set up and sell a service on top of the solution. We provide the SaaS with templates to frame their product, not as a standalone product or even as a partnership, but frame their product in a way that helps agency service providers understand how to sell a service on top of the solution. Then we go as far as show these individuals how to put together the service outline as well as the verbiage for what would be a landing page on their service provider partner's website that would explain to their clients, the service providers and clients, how they can help them build a service around this product or help them achieve something with this partnership that they have. So in this example, this is Up Content, a product, and we help these agency service providers understand what Up Content is through the lens, through the scope of how can I as a service provider build this service on top of Up Content. And then we give them all the copy, even the email introduction, and FAQs that they can use to blast out a campaign to their clients to get people interested in these services. Set up as a service, and then typically a retainer example. So that's what we are working on with these troubled SaaS, these SaaS that are complaining about there's lack of kind of commitment to the program. So that's kind of the background. Now, what I've put together here, I think relates to this issue. So we went and looked at the top 16 SaaS certifications that are SaaS that we work with, typically with partnerships and partner programs. I don't know what happened here, but I'll format that a little better. But this is the situation. Only 31% of these SaaS certifications taught classes on how agencies can set up and sell a service on top of the SaaS. Those that taught a class on how the agency can set up and sell a service on top of their product were HubSpot, Shopify, Klaviyo, Attentive Mobile, and Okendo. Now, you probably recognize all of those names because they are successful in partnerships, very successful in partnerships. So if you are one of the SaaS that, I'll see if I can pull up the actual, there's a link in here somewhere. Oh, something's going on here. Anyways, I'm going to reformat this blog post. But if you are one of the SaaS that do not teach the agency how to set up and sell a service on top of the product, you are losing out on that long tail, that after the fact conversations. And this is the example. So if I'm coming to an agency talking about, I'll just say Omnisyn because they're right there. If I'm talking about Omnisyn as a partnerships manager or even as Partner Hub and the people that work at Partner Hub, It's one thing to talk about OmniSend, and most e-commerce agencies probably have heard of OmniSend. It's not interesting for them. If they wanted OmniSend's type of solution, they've already gone out and researched it. Unless a client had just mentioned wanting them to look into OmniSend that day, you coming to them with OmniSend is not interesting. If you came to them with, hey, you can set up and sell a high margin service with the support of OmniSend, and you can even white label OmniSend, maybe. I don't think that's possible with OmniSend. But you came to them with, hey, there's something behind OmniSend that you can do with the product that is unique, that is attractive to your ideal client persona. And not only that, we have this course over here where we're going to teach you how to set that up and sell it. And in about 3 months, whatever the partner track is, this is the partner track duration, whatever this phase is, you'll be going to market with us related to that service. And your team will be trained up. We're going to give all of you access to this. We're going to get you all certified. And at the end of the day, you're going to be going to market with this service with the support of us as a partnership. And we can even point to some successful examples over here of other agencies that have done it. You're doing that. I mean, you're talking about a different level of enablement, different level of just buy-in into the scenario. These agencies aren't just taking a call with you, getting excited about your product, and then going back and servicing clients and forgetting all about it, which is what is happening. They are buying into this idea of being a better agency and selling more of the services that your product enables them to sell. And it also gives you those next calls. So after that first call, if they buy into, meaning say yes to, I'm going to set up and sell this service, then the next 3 calls are, let's get you with product to get your demo account, your sandbox account going. Let's get you with our marketing team to schedule the go-to-market, plan out the co-marketing and the account mapping and the co-marketing that's going to be involved. And then let's get you with our sales lead so that we can plan the account mapping and the account-based targeting for who we're going to go after with this new service that you're going to be selling at the end of this scenario. And then give me the contacts of your people who are going to be learning this service so that they can start getting access to it. So I can send them access. You have more contacts. You've got a lunch and learn scheduled. You've got 3 or 4 more meetings. They're meeting a lot of people internally. And then these numbers of just lack of success, lack of ROI from your certifications, these numbers right here, those go up. And you can start to really, have success, I would say, with every partnership conversation that you have. Even those that are super excited and super pumped up about just being involved in your product because everything looks so good. I mean, the main thing to understand is they get back to their business the next day. So if you didn't get them excited about a partner track, you didn't get them to buy into this, then you're going to lose them. And the certification is either a problem in that scenario or it's a solution. It's either helping you or it's hindering your efforts. So that's all I'll say. Join Partner Hub if you're not. Selfish plug there. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.